Hey there, YouTube creators! Are you tired of spending hours managing your YouTube channel? Well, today's video is just for you. We're going to explore how you can automate your YouTube channel using the power of artificial intelligence. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence has the potential to streamline and optimize various aspects of running a YouTube channel. By leveraging AI, you can automate tasks, improve video performance, and free up your time for creating engaging content. So, here's a step-by-step guide on how to automatize your YouTube channel with AI. Automated video editing. Step 1 is automated video editing. Editing videos can be time-consuming, but AI-powered editing tools can significantly speed up the process. Use video editing software that employs AI algorithms to automatically trim, enhance, and optimize your footage. These tools can help you create professional-looking videos without the need for extensive manual editing. AI-based video recommendations. Step 2 is AI-based video recommendations. AI algorithms can analyze viewer behavior and suggest related videos based on their interests. This keeps viewers engaged and encourages them to watch more of your content. Platforms like YouTube already utilize AI for personalized video recommendations, but you can further optimize this by analyzing data insights and tailoring your content strategy accordingly. AI-driven thumbnail selection. Step 3 is AI-driven thumbnail selection. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers to click on your videos. AI can analyze your video content and automatically generate eye-catching thumbnails that increase click-through rates. By using AI-powered tools or plugins, you can experiment with different thumbnail designs and optimize them based on performance metrics. Automated transcriptions and subtitles. Step 4 is automated transcriptions and subtitles. AI technology can automatically transcribe your videos, saving you the time and effort of manually creating transcripts. Additionally, AI can generate accurate subtitles in multiple languages, making your content accessible to a wider audience. This not only improves the viewer experience but also enhances your video's searchability. AI-assisted SEO optimization. Step 5 is AI-assisted SEO optimization. AI algorithms can analyze search patterns, keywords, and trends to help you optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions for better search engine rankings. By leveraging AI tools specifically designed for YouTube SEO, you can increase your video's visibility and reach a larger audience organically. Automated social media promotion. Step 6 is automated social media promotion. AI-powered social media management tools can help you schedule and automate the sharing of your videos across various platforms. These tools can analyze audience engagement patterns, identify optimal posting times, and automatically publish your content on social media channels. This ensures consistent promotion without manual effort. AI-based analytics and insights. Step 7 is AI-based analytics and insights. AI can analyze your YouTube channel's performance metrics, such as viewer engagement, watch time, and audience demographics. By using AI-powered analytics tools, you can gain valuable insights into your audience's preferences, content performance, and areas for improvement. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your content strategy. And there you have it, a guide to automatizing your YouTube channel with artificial intelligence. By leveraging AI tools and algorithms, you can streamline your workflow, improve video performance, and ultimately grow your channel more efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on leveraging AI for YouTube success. Remember, automation doesn't mean losing your personal touch. It's about utilizing AI to optimize your workflow and enhance the viewer experience.